Then there is this image, another one, from one of those moons in Jupiter. Look at that. They destroy the image practically, overexpose it, and look at that, man. It's all the same geometry, same thing. It's just that people cannot figure it out. It's just because they don't see patterns. You have to, it's like you have to blur your sight and start seeing the pattern is there. It's a pattern. It took me years, 18 years. Well, not 18, well, 15 years. It's only the past 3 years that I was finally zero on what that geometry really was. Because you see alignment, man. You see look at the fingers right there. Look at that. Let me darken it. It just protrude from there. Look. It's so clear. Look, the pinky. The ring. The middle. And the index. Now you tell me, what are the chances that that geometry is there? Really? Random? Nah. There ain't no random anything. Look, this is a thumb. Oh, and the thumb, look, the thumb is right here too. From that hand. You see the thumb here inside that hexagonal deal. It is in so many ways. One tiny place right there has so many hands. It's just a joke trying to do outlines. It don't look good because each one of them has another one. It's like I say, it's an impossible task. It's an insult really to what's there in the picture. When you look at this, then you see, wow, how this guy see, well, it's because I already seen this geometry and the moon is on everything, man. And then when you see how it translates into this picture, then you see how it was made. The finger look crooked and all of that and grotesque. But it's because they're part of another thing that makes them look like that. And if you don't know that geometry, you're never gonna guess it. Never. Like I say, it took me years to finally start like, wow, well, this is, oh. And it was just because of this image right here. This image. This is what solved my problem right here. This is what solved the geometry problem. What solved while I was looking at this deal. Check it out, there are some statues made out of hands, and they look like several entities. One is sitting down here, And look, it looks like it has these legs, its arm, right here. You don't see the feet, you only see the, oops. You see the legs right here. Look, it looks like its legs. And then you see an arm. Well, then when you look at the rest, this is not a freaking person. It's none of that. It's just the same thing I've been showing, hands. But that's kick-ass, illusory deal. They create things out of that shape. That's what's so badass. Look at this part right here. Let me show you with my own hand what that is and how it is. There's not any statue shit. It's just a hand like this. Look, like this. You see the fingers with the palm up like that. And this is with the palm down like that. It's the fingers are like that, but it makes the illusion of a head, and it's all that. It's a hand like this, it's a hand like that. It's a crazy shit, but it's just purposely made like that to give you. Now I wonder if those moon, or this moon specifically, the moon in front of our planet, no, nothing is ours, in front of Earth, it might be the surface is used to project scenery from things that have happened on Earth and in other places where that moon was originally from. It's known that that is no moon from here. This thing came from somewhere else. And none of those walls that you would call craters, none of that is impact crater, none. Any meteor or anything is directed by this consciousness to do whatever, but it's none of those all, it's all geometry. It's all geometrical. There's no such asteroid with hexagon shape, and there's 10 of them in the same size, shape, and depth. Impossible. Even the largest ones, they're all the same depth. That's not possible. Don't fit none of this model of impact crater shit. None. So, there's a problem there where people don't think. When they see the moon, they don't see none of that shit. Even with a big ass telescope, you see that those are no craters, and there is they're so anomalous. You say, well, that's not possible. Well, people don't think any of that. That's how dormant we're groomed. We're being groomed to not think, to stay, just work, pay your taxes and shut the fuck up. Yeah, you can spend and get you a little something. Wow, I have a mansion, a yacht, or this, and you don't take none of that with you, dude. You need to be humble. Stupid, narcissistic personalities. Vanity is the worst of it. Envy and vanity are the worst. Jealousy, envy, vanity, narcissistic. Oh my God. Money is the worst of everything. It's what creates criminality, with everything derived from that crap. Everybody in a hungry, in a rat race for make money to pay for this and that, to buy this because I want this and that. And it would be a point where all the garbage we're producing is going to bite our asses. Or it's already is. The oceans are depleted, the shit is negative, the planet is heating up, and maybe the consciousness decide, well, these people are not worth it. Like when Lot show me 10 persons that I can spare, not even one. Shit. That's sad. Well, see, this is like, you see, it looked like a statue or whatever, and that might have been the intention, just to show some scenery from something. And then you see there's some others around here. There's one like it's sitting down, but it's all made with hands, all of it. I can prove it.